In this video, we're going to explain how to create a user in the megawattscorp.com website. Login will give you access to the whole content of our website, including special offers for specific customer groups. It's worth trying. To access the user registration, we put the mouse over Sign In. We click and we will have a button below the login box that says Create New Account. We click here. A registration form is presented, quite simple, with data that is really necessary for this business model. We will need your first name, your last name, an email address, phone number, that you establish a password, and the company name. If you do not have a formal business registered, you can put your name there in the business. There is no problem at all. Finally, you can select one of the customer groups to which your economic activity belongs, whether it is a gas station, any business related to auto and trucks, dollar discount stores, supermarket, hardware, or electronic store. These are our main customer groups. If your economic activity is not registered in this group, you can click on Other Group options and you will see a list of other customer groups. This list may grow over time. Here we have from dealer to exporter to audio tinting and alarm. There are other business models here. Many independents work on the concept of Javer or distributor. This section is the only one that is mandatory to register on the website. After you have filled out all this information, you can just click on Continue with Simple Registration so that you can log in with the data you have included here. However, we strongly recommend to register with complete all your company information, if you have the information at hand. Clicking here, the form changes to Step 2, where you need to fill basic information of your company. For example, your tax ID number, your address, the city, the state, the country, and the postal code. This information is relevant because when you create the order, you will not have to define a shipping or billing address. The address you indicate here will appear by default in your orders. The same user can have multiple addresses. This will not limit at all that you can register new shipping addresses or new billing addresses. But this gives us basic information of your business. Also, you would have already filled the requirements of billing and shipping address by default with this information. After you have completed this small form about your company, you can click on Continue with Full Registration, and you will have fully registered on the Megawatts website. You can now start organizing your orders.